So where are you folks headed today?
Not sure yet.
This
This is the law enforcement. Iron Circle is a law enforcement motorcycle club.
Wow.
So
These are
there's sheriffs, there's police, there's harbor police, there's federal, all kinds of folks that are law enforcement. So I'm just actually his wife. So I'm not a member.
It is because you know that they didn't give anybody a chance.
Wow, these are just gorgeous bikes, and I'm so glad I asked.
Yeah, Ed and his motorcycle. He's the president.
Okay, your husband is the...
My husband is the treasurer.
Oh, Ed is the... Okay, Ed is the taller.
Yes.
Okay.
My husband.
This bike is the twin brother for that bike.
Which one is the twin?
This one. So
This
he
one? Wow.
recreated
They were
it.
the same
This
bike.
is Landon.
So, but this one wasn't one of the test bikes, was it?
It was.
This was a test bike
It was
too?
exactly the same as that.
So because the department decided not to get into the motorcycles now, they sold it privately.
This is a police, not sheriff. I made it different.
Oh, this is a police one?
Yeah, this says police on it. The other one's sheriff.
Wow. So you just kept the frame
Well, I kept everything,
and changed out the seat and
all
the...
the parts. Just changed out like the fenders and stuff like that.
Wow.